Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a party you enjoyed. You should say when and where the party was held, who attended the party, what kind of party it was, what you did in the party, and explain why you enjoyed this party. Alright, so let's now look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am an extrovert person and like engaging with different kinds of people, including men, women, and children of various age groups. And today, I would like to speak about my cousin's wedding party, which I loved a lot. I vividly remember that last year, during my summer vacations in June, my cousin traveled to India from Canada for a marriage that took place in the same month. Moreover, it was a destination party that was held at Ramvilas Palace in Udaipur, and all my relatives and family members, as well as some of our friends and colleagues from Canada, attended the auspicious occasion. So, auspicious means something that is favorable. Additionally, I had prepared a solo dance on a trending Bollywood song, and all the attendees applauded and admired my performance to a great extent. So, solo dance means that you are the only performer, you are performing alone on something. Trending, that means a hit Bollywood song. So, instead of using a common word like hit song, we used a better vocabulary word which is trending. Attendees means those people who were also attending the party, right? Applauded means appreciated, and admired means to like. To a great extent means very much. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, I also had a great time in conversing with her Canadian friends and obtaining some useful first hand insights about pursuing my higher education abroad, as well as sharing my valuable inputs about Indian tradition and culture with them. So, obtain means to get or to receive something. Insights, information, and pursuing higher education means doing your higher education abroad. Finally, I felt like a dog with two tails as I was able to balance fun and excitement along with some great knowledge and experience and will cherish those memories forever. So, a dog with two tails means to be extremely happy or joyous, to be jubilant, and it is an idiom. Cherish means to remember something for a very long time. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.